Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode in Google Chat, step by step, so you can stop interruptions and stay focused when you need to. This is a super quick setting, but it can make a big difference if you're in meetings, working on a deadline, or just want a little peace and quiet for a while. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. All right, let's get into it. First, go to mail.google.com in your web browser and sign in to the Google account where you use Google Chat. Once your Gmail inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down button labeled Active. This status tells others that you're currently available. To change it, click on that Active drop-down. A small menu will appear with different status options. From that menu, select Do Not Disturb. Once you choose it, Google Chat will give you the option to set how long you want to stay in DND mode. This is useful because you can control exactly when the status turns off automatically. Select the time that works best for you, whether it's for an hour, a few hours, or until a specific time later in the day. After you confirm your choice, the change will take effect immediately. That means your status will update right away, and people will see that you are not available for notifications or chat interruptions during that period. If you need to come back and change it later, you can always return to the same Active dropdown and adjust your status again. So just to recap, go to mail.google.com, click the active status at the top right, choose Do Not Disturb, pick the time you want, and the setting will turn on instantly. That's how easy it is. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.